Now I am explaining the program written already here. Write a program in Java to accept the input from the user and check if it is divisible by 5 or not. Then we are doing with the scanner method. Then first we will write the scanner method line to import the scanner method. Then import java.util java.util.scanner and semicolon. Then the class public class and class name, like you can give any name. Here I have given div because we are dividing. Then related to the program, open curly braces. Then the main function line, public static void main string args. Here public static void main string args. And string s is in capital, string args, then brackets, then close the bracket, open curly brace. And then we are doing here with the scanner class. Then firstly we will write the scanner method for inputting the value. Then scanner, it is a class name. Then object of the scanner means any object you can take, like I'm taking here f. Scanner f is equal to new is the operator. Then scanner new scanner system dot in here scanner is constructor and system dot in for receiving the value. It allows you to give a permission to access the value from the console. Then we are entering here the number and checking it. Then for entering the number there is a need of number, and we can store it in a integer type of variable. For including the integer method, okay, then you will firstly you can give any statement here, like system dot out dot print ask from the user to enter the number. Then enter the number means user can enter any number. This is a message that will display on the terminal window. System.println, enter the number. Then take the variable, declare the variable. You can declare it here at the top. Okay, click. Then variable is of which type? It is of integer type. Okay, integer int is a data type, and take any number, like a is a number. For input the value for the integer method through the scanner, this is a statement, like a is a number is equal to object of the class. Object of the class is f. F dot next is for inputting the value from the user. Next and integer type data. Then int, I is capital here, next int and the parenthesis and semicolon. Then through this statement we can enter the value, integer type of value in the variable a. Okay, through the scanner class, their object we can store the value. Now in program given, how we can check it? Then we can check the number, it is divisible by 5 or not, with the help of if statement. If number is storing in a variable, if a is divisible by 5 is double equal to, for comparing use double equal to sign, equal to 0, then system dot out print it is divisible by 5, number is divisible by 5. Then system dot out dot print ln, you can print the number also, then you can write here like a variable we have taken, then a and plus sign is used, that number is divisible by 5, divisible by 5, else that number is not divisible by 5, then else, if, then else, then if and else condition, then you can write here also. System dot print that number is not divisible by 5, not divisible by 5. You can copy the statement for saving your time. After this, then close brackets. Here only one statement given in if else, that's why I have not put here the curly braces. Otherwise, if the number of statements are more in if and else, then you will put the open and close curly braces. Okay, close the bracket for the class, main function and class. Then we can compile it also. Then compile, click on compile button. Here one bracket missing, then close the bracket. You can give the bracket before this, otherwise both are correct, like this. Then compiling here, click on compile, then see what is given here, class compile, no syntax error. After this, then close the window, editor window. Then this is the class icon, right click here, void main, and this is the method call dialog box. We are doing through the scanner class, then runtime we can enter the number, then no need to write here anything. Okay, click on OK button. This is a terminal window. What is the message here blinking? Enter the number. Then cursor is blinking here, then enter number. Suppose number is 5, then press enter key, then 5 is divisible by 5. We can check again also, then void main and click on OK button, then again it will ask, otherwise you can clear the previous message here and enter the number for the next time. Here cursor is blinking. Suppose we are entering the 34 and 34 is not divisible by 5. Then it's completed. I hope it is clear to you everyone. Then thank you for watching it. If you are satisfied with my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.